Good afternoon and welcome to 5 Riff Road. So we had a big main entrance gate. We have a biometrics facial recognition scanner.
Thank you.
So this is floor A. This is the kitchen of floor A. This is one of the rooms. Toilet and shower. This is the full size of the room with curtain. We have students in those rooms currently. I'm now going to take you to the B Bachelor. This is B level. It's a bachelor room. Toilet, and as you can see, there's a big shower. So we've got barbed wire, razor wire, biometrics in and out of the property, electric gate, sharing room, our kitchen area, basin, toilet, there's an interleading door into the next room. That's the entrance into the next room. Cupboards, beds, desks, chairs, interleading door can be closed, so this kitchen and bathroom will be utilized. It's got Wi-Fi. Then we go to a bachelor flat, D. There's a basin down here. This is the bachelor toilet and shower. Quite a big shower. Kitchen area. Cupboards. Got a bed, desk, this is a bachelor pad, it's now going up the driveway. This is going to be our social area with the pool table, table tennis, lounges, TVs for entertainment for the students. And we're now going into the E floor to the main property. Nice spacious rooms. Sharing rooms. We have students in these rooms. It's our kitchen area. This is a bathroom, basin. We have 2 showers. And the toilets. We have our main kitchen area. We have gas and electric stove, oven, we have a shower cubicle, toilet, another shower and toilet, and toilet and another shower. In our bedrooms, we have cupboards, double bed, big spacious cupboards, chandeliers, double bed, that's our E floor. F, this is our F floor. These are all taken by students. We have a bachelor pad. We have a wash line, storage, this is the exterior of the property.